Hello, kindergartners. All right, today I am going to record our lesson and let's get started. Okay, so welcome to math today. One thing I'd like you to do is to practice counting as high as you can. You can pause this video right after this and practice. All right, next we are going to figure out what the number of the day is today. So 1 second here as I get that going for you. Okay, let me share.
It's time to get up and stomp your feet to this great foot-stomping Transylvanian beat. Start nice and slow,
1, 2,
then speed up more.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then stomp away, cause we're about to find out the number of the day.
What's the number? Stop, stop. What's the number? Stop, stop. What is the number?
The number of the day, I can hardly wait. The number of the day is 8.
So that's the number. Stop, stop. Yes, that's the number. Stop, stop. That's the number. Stop. The number of the day.
That's the number.
Stop, stop.
That's the number of the day. 8. Now let's stomp 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, ah, ah.
All right, everybody. Well, we figured out what our number of the day is. So we're going to get back to it and go over our objective today. Let me make this bigger for you guys. There we go. So our objective for today is I can count 8 objects and recognize numbers to 8. Here is the number 8. 8 tortoises, 8 numbers. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to make a lovely 8. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch your ear 8 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump 8 times. Let's go. Ready? We're all gonna jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, touch your toes 8 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold up 8 fingers. What does 8 fingers look like? Show me what you think that looks like. So here's our 8 fingers. Okay, let's count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now you're going to get your snap cubes. You can pause the video and count out 8 snap cubes. So everybody pause your video and count out 8 snap cubes. All right, so here's my 8 snap cubes. Okay, so next you're going to write 8 tally marks. So remember, with a tally mark, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got to shut the door to make it 5. Okay, so that will be 5 when we shut that door. So a 5 right here, and then we have 3 more. Pause the video and make 8 tally marks. Okay, next, what I'd like you to do, let me clear that there. It looks like it still has there we go. Okay, next I'd like you to show 8 on your 10 frame. Okay, remember that we want to fill in the top part up here and then go down to the bottom down here. Okay, pause your video and put 8 on your 10 frame. Okay, I'm just going to stamp 8. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count and touch each number. Oh, it says to 7, but it should say 8 there. Sorry about that. We'll change it and say 8. All right, ready? So I want you to pause your video real quick. And I'd like you to practice on your own for a second. Touch each number and count to 8. Okay, now that you've done it on your own, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's see if I am able to do this. Play who's missing. Because how about this? Let's see, I think I might be able to do it. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys. So I am going to, let me see if I can move it. Ooh, I don't know that I can on here because we're on a different thing. What I'd like you to do is pause the video, and with an adult, they can cover up one of the numbers with their hands. And then you are going to guess which number is missing, okay? Because I'm not able to move this square around, it looks like. So please pause the video and play Who's Missing with an Adult. All right, now that you've played that game, let's see, I'll go back just in case you needed a little bit more time. So now, one sec, let's pause the video. Okay. All right, you guys, so let's count. I want you to start at 1 and count as high as you can. And then make sure to write down the number that you got to on a whiteboard. Pause the video and count as high as you can. Okay, so next we are going to practice writing an 8. So let's take a look at what it says here. It says, make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. So first, get your finger and I want you to trace on there. So you're going to make an S. You're going to trace with your finger. and then join it back up. Okay, so trace on the screen there. Now let's do air writing. Ready? So we're going to make an S. Everybody make an S. And do not wait. Then come back up and join up at the top. Great job. All right. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do that rainbow writing on here since this is a recording. Now I'd like you to write your very best 8 on your whiteboard. Remember to start by making an S. All right. Pause the video. Make your very best 8. Okay, here's a number find. So now what you're going to do is try and find all the different 8s that you see on the screen. I'd like you to pause your video and point to all the different 8s that you can find. Okay, our next activity, you are going to write down the number of dogs you count, the number of purses you count, the number of balls you count, and the number of Ys you count. So I'd like you to pause your video, count, and write those numbers down, and then you'll get to check your answers on the next screen. So everybody pause and count. All right, here are the answers. Check to see if you got the same answers. So 8 dogs, 6 purses, 2 balls, and 3 Ys. All right, we're going to get our wiggles out here next. So 1 second as I get that. Let's see if that works. Yes, it does. Okay. Get this going.
Get ready to learn, get ready to move. Count to 100 and dance to the groove. Are you ready? Do the windmills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, cross your elbows to your knees. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're ready to learn, we're ready to move. Count to 100 and dance to the groove. It's time for jumping jacks. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now let's pretend to swim. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Start marching in place. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's fun to learn, it's fun to move. Halfway to 100, let's dance to the groove. Play a guitar solo. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And roll your shoulders. time to do the twist. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. We're ready to learn, we're ready to move. Count to 100 and dance to the groove. Start squatting up and down. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And take a little jog in place. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We wanted to learn, we wanted to move. We counted 100 along with the groove.
All right, kindergartners, I hope you had fun with Spider-Man. So now we are pretty much at the end here. Just a reminder to make sure that you do your splash learn every single day. All right, please make sure you're doing one lesson a day of splash learn. Here's the information if you need to pause the screen to remind yourself of how to get to splash learn. Here's the information on how to do that. All right, so this is going to be your exit ticket. You are going to say each number and clap when you see the smiley faces. And this is going to be next week's. You'll see that that 8 is added in there. So that is the next week one. All right, you guys. So I will send this class kick in the email as well, but this is our exit ticket. So you can see it here as well. Record your voice doing our number board. All right, everybody. Thank you for all your hard work today. Pick a virtual reward. Great job today, you guys. See you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye. See you next time.